In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Yahoo email on your iPhone. Whether you're new to the Apple ecosystem or just need a little guidance, I'm here to walk you through each step of the process, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First, we'll need to locate the Settings app on your iPhone. You can easily recognize it by its distinctive gear icon. Once you have it open, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option labeled Mail. Give that a tap and we'll be on our way. Now that we're inside the Mail settings, you'll notice a selection called Accounts. This is where all your email accounts are configured and managed. Tap on Accounts, and this will bring you to a page showing all the email services you currently have linked to your device. Our next step is to add Yahoo to this list. To do that, look for the Add Account option. It's usually at the bottom of the list. Tap on that and you'll be presented with a variety of email service providers. Among these, you'll see Yahoo. That's the one we want, so go ahead and select it. With Yahoo chosen, the screen will prompt you to enter your Yahoo email address and corresponding password. It's essential to double-check your entries here to avoid any login issues. If you're like most users these days, you might have two-step verification enabled on your Yahoo account. If that's the case, the app will guide you through any additional steps required, such as entering a verification code which they'll send to your secondary device or email, ensuring the security of your account remains intact. After successfully entering your credentials and passing any verification steps, your iPhone will work behind the scenes to establish the connection and sync your Yahoo mailbox. This might take a few moments, but don't worry, it's just your phone ensuring all your emails, contacts, and calendar events are in perfect order. And there you have it. Once the synchronization is complete, you'll have a seamless Yahoo Mail experience directly from your iPhone's Mail app. All your emails will be accessible in just a few taps, and you'll be able to send and receive messages with ease. Plus, with everything integrated, your device will ensure you're always up to date with any new emails or changes in your Yahoo account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now you feel confident in setting up your Yahoo email on your iPhone. Feel free to revisit any steps if needed and enjoy the convenience of having your emails right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.